Okay, quick tutorial on a couple of women's things. I did pictures on folding the panties and someone was a little confused, so I thought I would do a video of how to fold women's panties, women's exercise shorts or walking shorts, and our yoga pants. So for the panties, you're going to fold them out flat, and then I just take one side and fold it over to this side, and then do the same thing on the other side, so you have a rectangle shape. I fold the top down, and then I fold one, and then I'm going to fold it one more time and just tuck it in the top, and then just flatten it out a little bit right there. And that's how I do the women's panties. Now for the shorts, we all think these are probably a pain in the butt to fold, but there's a really great way to fold them where they stay folded. So I just go fold them butt cheek to butt cheek, and then fold it over a little bit like this so you have a rectangle. Just you're folding this part in, and then fold these over, and then you're just gonna fold it depending on how short you want it. You can just fold it once right into the top, and then just flatten it out, and then it stays in your drawer folded. And then for the yoga pants, it's same thing. I just go butt cheek to butt cheek, and then you can either fold this over or just fold it inside. And then I fold the top part over, and I fold this up once to meet the top. I fold it twice, and then the third time you fold it into the top. And this is great for in your drawers, for in your suitcase when you're packing your suitcase to go on vacation, and it just all stays nice and folded. All right, hope this helps, ladies. Have a good